Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me, and I'm going to show you the November Paper Pumpkin Kit Winter Gifts. And in order to have received this, you would have needed to sign up by October 10th. So if you did not, no worries. You could still possibly get a refill kit from stampinup.com, and you just go to Paper Pumpkin. And if you do sign up, please be sure to put in my name. That way I can get credit for your purchase, and that's Charlene Becker, and that would be awesome. So, the stamp set is really cute. It's got some greetings here, peace, love, and joy, a gift for you, let it snow, made with love, and to from. So you can make some really cute tags with these stamps. And then it comes with shaded spruce ink spot. And I'm just going to show you what you get in this kit. I will be posting some alternate videos on making some alternate cards and projects with this kit, so stay tuned for those. Here's the kit, Winter Gifts Instructions, and it looks like it's tags. Some really adorable, really nice tags. So this is gonna be a very fun kit. I love kits like this because it has everything you need to complete the projects. And like I said, you could do alternate projects. If I wanted to make something like a 3D item, like a picture frame, or home decor, how cute would that be? I could use the supplies from this kit to make that. So you've got the ribbon that comes in the kit. And actually, I'm going to find the instructions here and just go over what's included. Those are the 4 tags. It includes the photopolymer stamp set, shaded spruce ink spot, and then we've got the 13 sheets die cut and elements, 4 sheet laser cut elements, 3 sheets of silver foil die cuts, 2 sheets of silver foil laser cut elements, 3 yards of 1/4 inch cotton ribbon, 8 yards of silver twine, 72 sequins in 2 colors, 175 mini dimensionals, and 150 adhesive dots. And I love how they also tell you the coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors. So that way you could use materials you already have or order them from Stampin' Up! To make alternate cards like this. So you would get the pool party cardstock, and then you can make full-size cards. If you didn't want to do tags, maybe you have enough tags. Maybe you just want a few tags and you want the rest Christmas cards. And this looks like it's a cute little box. And then they put that sled embellishment right on top. That's a cute little gift box for maybe a gift card or something. Super, super cute. Okay, so let's get down to the nitty-gritty here. We've got the sequins, and these are self-adhesive, so it has the adhesive on the back already. There's the silver twine, shaded spruce cotton ribbon, and then in here are the mini dimensionals. And I like how they put like 2 little sheets of dimensionals, so that's nice. You could always, you could even make up a little mini kit from this kit to give as a gift to someone. Here's a little kit to make 5 homemade gift tags. And you can cut a bunch of the ribbon off, give them a sheet of dimensionals, and give them 1 sheet of these because it looks like it comes with 2. This is like another little gift in itself. And I'm seriously contemplating of doing that because I'm going to be seeing my friend tomorrow, my crafting friend, and she would absolutely love that. So a couple of the things that I wanted to show you besides, and here's the the adhesive dots. You can just cut that in half and give somebody half of those. Here are the die tags. Okay, so we got a few sheets of that. Little red dot. This goes on behind the reindeer. There's some pretty foil snowflakes. So pretty. And easy to just pop right out. You just push on it a little bit and then just pop right out. Those are cute. Here are the sleds. I love the way they look. So a couple sheets of sleds and some trees. And then we have larger snowflakes. This is for like the three-dimensional, looks like a three-dimensional snowflake tag. That's really cute. And then we have the background for that. This goes on one of the tags for the tree. Here are some other little tiny embellishments. Little, looks like little twigs, little tree branches. And that one looks like it goes right here on top of the leaves. So we're getting to that. Here's some labels for the sentiments and the cardinals. And I love how they laser cut them so you could see through them. That's going to be really pretty on the background of the blue tag. See that? That is so pretty. And here are the little spruce leaves. Sorry, my phone all of a sudden just got really blurry for some reason. There we go. All right, and then last but not least, and these totally remind me of a Patronus from Harry Potter. If you are familiar, his Patronus was a stag, so it looks just like it. So you could even do like a cute little Harry Potter ornament and stick this inside of an ornament. You can put it in a picture frame. Like you can, I think I'm gonna have to do that for my alternate project. So if you like Harry Potter, stay tuned for that on my next video. So that's it for that. And here are the tags again. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you all have a wonderful day, and you'll find the information to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin in the links below if you'd like to sign up. And don't forget to like my video and hit subscribe to see more videos. Thanks guys, and Merry Christmas.